Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best dash cam is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your vehicle. It provides crucial evidence in case of accidents, protects you from insurance fraud, and even captures those unexpected moments on the road. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into a top-tier dash cam designed to withstand extreme temperatures. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. This dash cam records in Ultra HD 2160p, providing exceptional clarity. The revolutionary night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, you can easily manage recordings on your smartphone. Download videos directly to your phone and share them with friends and family quickly. The built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and speed. You can review your route and track your journey using the app or GPS player. This dash cam includes a supercapacitor, a wide-angle lens, and parking mode. It also features motion detection, loop recording, and emergency video lock for added security. The product is backed by a full 1-year warranty. The company offers responsive customer care via text or email to address any questions or issues you may have. What we like. This dash cam boasts stunning 4K recording, ensuring every detail is captured with exceptional clarity. It also has built-in Wi-Fi 6 for fast downloads and easy sharing. If you are looking for top-tier video quality and convenient connectivity, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The dash cam is heat-resistant and has worked flawlessly even in direct sunlight. The camera quality is excellent, providing clear and detailed footage. The dash cam has a wide field of view, capturing a broad perspective of the road. Number 4. REDTIGER F7 and Touch 4K Dash Cam. This dash cam captures your drive in amazing 4K resolution. It also has a 170 degrees wide-angle view for the front and 1080p for the rear. The WDR and HDR technology ensures great visibility, day or night. The F7N Touch features voice commands for hands-free control. It also has a smart touchscreen to lock videos and more. It integrates multiple control methods for your convenience. Connect to the dash cam's Wi-Fi with the REDTIGER Cam app. You can enjoy fast download speeds and share your drives. The built-in GPS provides location and speed data in the recordings. This dual-channel dash cam automatically overwrites old footage. The built-in G-sensor locks and protects footage during impacts. This ensures important events are saved. The car dashboard camera offers G-sensor parking mode. It records when it detects collisions while parked. Time-lapse parking mode provides continuous surveillance. A hardwire kit is required for the parking monitoring function. Mount the dash cam easily and hide the wires. REDTIGER provides an 18-month guarantee and 24/7 customer support. Drive with confidence, knowing that they have you covered. What we like. With voice control and a responsive touchscreen, this dash cam offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. The fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows for quick file transfers, and the included 128 GB card means you're ready to go. If you like hands-free operation and ample storage, this dash cam is ideal. What people say. The dash cam is heat-resistant and has worked flawlessly even in direct sunlight. The video quality is excellent, both day and night. The dash cam is easy to install and set up. Number 3. Vantrue S1 4K Dash Cam Front and Rear. This dash cam records in stunning 4K resolution, capturing every detail on the road. The wide aperture and enhanced night vision ensure that it records bright and clear videos, even in low light. The front and rear cameras provide complete protection, recording both what's ahead and behind you. It captures everything in crystal clear detail, ensuring nothing is missed. The discreet design keeps it hidden from view. The built-in GPS module tracks your speed and driving route. You can easily view your location and speed on Google Maps using the included software. This data can be invaluable in case of an accident. It offers 24/7 parking mode, recording any motion detected around your car. The low bitrate recording saves memory space while providing continuous surveillance. This feature provides extra security for your vehicle. The dashcam uses a supercapacitor, making it resistant to extreme temperatures. This design enhances the reliability and lifespan of the device, ensuring it can withstand various conditions. It's easy to install and comes with a G-sensor that automatically locks videos during collisions. Loop recording and time-lapse features are also included. It supports up to a 256GB microSD card and offers an 18-month warranty. What we like. This dashcam delivers exceptional 4K video quality, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its advanced night vision. The heat-resistant capacitor ensures reliable performance in extreme temperatures. If you drive in hot climates or prioritize clear night recordings, this is the one for you. What people say. The dashcam is heat-resistant and has a wide dynamic range. The dashcam has a good video quality. The dashcam is easy to install. Number 2. COOAU D30S 4K dashcam with GPS Wi-Fi. This dashcam captures stunning 4K video, ensuring you don't miss any crucial details on the road. It provides a wide view, making sure you have all the evidence you need in case of an accident. This is the perfect driving companion for you and your family. With front and inside cameras, this dashcam offers complete protection. It records both the road ahead and the interior of your car. This feature is ideal for rideshare drivers, providing safety and recording passenger behavior. Equipped with infrared LEDs, this camera delivers exceptional night vision. Even in complete darkness, it captures clear, detailed footage. This feature ensures peace of mind during nighttime drives. Easily connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi to access and share videos. The built-in GPS accurately records your driving routes, locations, and speed. This all-in-one design enhances stability and reliability. This dashcam monitors your car even when it's parked. It automatically records and locks videos in case of any incidents. 3 parking monitoring modes are available, ensuring your car is always protected. The dashcam seamlessly loops records, and supports up to 256GB storage. The G-sensor automatically locks videos upon detecting a collision. This helps you preserve important footage. This dashcam is built to withstand extreme temperatures. COOAU offers 24/7 support and a 2-year warranty. It is designed to keep stable operation in various conditions. What we like. This dashcam offers dual recording, capturing both the road ahead and the interior of your vehicle, making it perfect for rideshare drivers. The infrared night vision ensures clear footage even in complete darkness. If you are a rideshare driver or value comprehensive coverage, you should consider this. What people say. The dashcam is heat resistant and has worked flawlessly even in direct sunlight. The video quality is excellent, both day and night. The dashcam has a wide field of view, capturing everything in front of the car. Number 1. Vantrue E2, 2.7K front and rear dashcam. Introducing the Vantrue E2 dashcam. This device records in stunning 2.7K resolution both in the front and rear. It captures all the details you need for your safety. The E2 features an upgraded 2.7K rear camera, providing comprehensive protection. This ensures you have clear evidence in case of any rear-end incidents, offering peace of mind on the road. Enjoy hands-free control with smart voice commands. You can easily manage the dashcam, allowing you to focus on driving. This feature enhances safety and convenience. The E2 comes with faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick video access. It also has built-in GPS to record your speed and location. You can easily share your journeys and track your routes. With multiple parking modes, the E2 offers continuous protection. It records events even when parked, ensuring your vehicle is always monitored. A hardwire kit is needed to activate this feature. The included remote control helps you save important videos. The G-sensor automatically locks videos during collisions. This ensures you never lose critical evidence. The E2 is easy to install and use, with enhanced night vision. It provides clear recordings even in low-light conditions. Enjoy lifetime customer care and support. What we like. This dashcam captures both front and rear views in impressive 2.7K resolution, ensuring you don't miss a thing. The smart voice control allows for easy operation, and the 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast downloads. If you want high-resolution footage and convenient features, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The dash cam is heat-resistant and has a wide operating temperature range. The dash cam has a built-in GPS module. The dash cam has excellent video quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.